guys, happy Saturday. I slept in this morning because when I ended last night's vlog I was telling you guys about how I took like a 3-hour nap and then I was gonna be up all night, and then I was. So it was like 4 a.m. before I finally crawled into bed last night. So it was 10:30 when I woke up this morning. My husband and I then proceeded to both complain for an hour or so about how much our backs hurt. We've been talking about getting a new mattress for a while, and I think it's definitely going to happen sooner rather than later because, ouch, I have back problems. He works a very demanding job, so his back always hurts. And we have a very firm mattress. We have like a memory foam mattress, and it's very, very firm. And so we're going to start looking for something softer. I think we're going to look into a hybrid mattress, something that's got the memory foam and springs. So we'll see about that. But oh, my back is killing me. Anyways, it's Saturday. Eric's on call, so he has left off for work. Who knows when he'll be home. Austin's awake with me here. Hi. Robbie's still sleeping. But we're going to spend the day cleaning house. The boys have to clean their bedrooms every weekend, which sucks because it's the weekend, but sorry about that, my camera died. But we're going to spend the day cleaning, like I was saying. It sucks that the kids have to clean on the weekends, but that allows them to kind of do their own thing all week. They kind of keep it tidied up throughout the week, but on the weekend is when they dust and they vacuum and they wash their bedding and catch up on their laundry. So that's what's going to happen today. Austin's already started working on it. He seems like he's in a very good mood this morning, which is nice. I'm also going to clean up my bedroom a little bit today and work on getting the kitchen and everything kind of spruced up. We're just going to have a nice, quick cleaning day. Shouldn't take very long. We're going to do the whole house, basically. And then we're going to just relax the rest of the day, which seems to have been the theme this week. Lots of relaxing, lots of hibernation, because it's cold outside, guys. Real cold. Just making myself some breakfast, a couple of pancakes. I am starving. I say breakfast, but it's 12:16, so I guess it's brunch. Oh, my flame's up a little high, but I'm gonna have breakfast and then I'm gonna get to work on cleaning up this house because it's a disaster. So Austin has himself a humongous mess to clean up today, don't you?
It's a tiny room, so no.
I know, it's a tiny room, but it should only take you like 10 minutes to get it clean, and then dust, and then wash your bedding, and you're pretty much set. You already got your laundry in?
Yep.
Alright, so.
And then there's Apache.
And there's Apache. So we will count this as the before, and I'll show you guys the after once. So Austin's room is definitely looking a lot better. He's got his bedding in the wash. But he wanted me to come in here and play interactive Minecraft story mode with him.
On Netflix.
So, it's a game or is it a TV show?
It's a game.
Okay.
No, I want to start it over because I had already started.
So I guess this is sort of like one of those choose your own adventure books, huh? You decide what they're going to say and that continues the story?
Yeah, so you can play this tons of times and get different results every time.
Okay. So it's not actually a game. It's a TV show, but you get to choose how it goes.
Well, it's basic. It's both. It's a story mode. It's a story game. So it's like it goes on its own, and then sometimes you get to control the character. Sometimes you get to watch.
Hi guys. So we have just all been hanging out today. It's been lovely, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can even see us all, but we made some pudding. We hung out. We cleaned up the house a little bit. It's just been like a nice at-home day with my guys, who I love.
She couldn't find the camera, so that's why she hasn't filmed much today. Sorry.
It was in the couch. But we're about to make some dinner. I think Robbie's going to put some frozen burritos in the oven because we're super fancy. And do some more hanging out. Maybe watch some movie. We do a lot of movie watching, TV watching, hanging out inside, and avoiding being outside in the winter. So if you guys see the same things kind of every day, that's why. Because we pretty much do the same things every day. Wouldn't you guys say that's accurate?
I don't like the cold, so I'm not going outside.
I only go outside during the winter when there's snow, and there hasn't been any snow, so I'm good inside.
Yeah. Alright, so one of you guys recommended the movie Christmas Chronicles on Netflix for us, so we are going to watch that today. It was Crystal. Crystal commented and said we should watch that. That was a good one. And the boys agree, it sounds good, so we're going to watch that for our movie for today.
Old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say.